How to use Rocket Lawyer estate document properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Using Rocket Lawyer to create estate documents is convenient, but beginners often make mistakes that can lead to disputes, invalid documents, or gaps in planning. The first mistake is not creating a complete set of documents. Wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and healthcare directives all serve different purposes. Omitting any can leave your estate vulnerable. Another common error is failing to appoint alternates. Naming only one executor or guardian can create problems if they are unable or unwilling to serve. Always designate backups. Many users overlook asset specificity. Broad terms like personal property can cause confusion. List key assets, accounts, and valuables to ensure clear distribution. Neglecting proper signing and witnessing is another pitfall. Rocket Lawyer provides instructions, but state laws vary. Incorrect execution can invalidate your documents. Finally, some assume documents never need updates. Life changes such as marriage, divorce, or asset acquisitions require regular reviews. Set a schedule to revisit your estate plan. To use Rocket Lawyer estate document properly, create a complete set, appoint alternates, detail assets, follow execution rules, and review regularly. Avoid these mistakes, and your estate documents will protect your family as intended.